Licensed firearm holder in custody over shooting incident during dispute. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police are probing a fatal shooting in Papine St. Andrew yesterday afternoon, where a dispute between neighbors ended with one in custody and the other shot in the head. The shooting incident was caught on camera occurred along Tavern Avenue around 7:15 a.m. The deceased has been identified as Norris Ferguson, age 57, who worked at the Jamaican Public Service Company. In a video, the man in custody is seen confronting Ferguson, who is wearing a hard hat and a workman's vest, reportedly being in his yard. Links 007 TV was reliably informed that both lived at the same address in a yard. Ferguson pointed out that they were both standing in the lane away from the premises when an argument ensued. The argument quickly escalated and Ferguson was shot. He was transported to the University Hospital of the West Indies, where he was pronounced dead. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.